Hey friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see MFC L3750CDW brother printer. In this the error is, you can see here, no waste toner. Install the waste toner box. Already inside there is waste toner box. There is some error we can see. For that we can press here and just pull toward upside. And after that remove all this toner one by one. You can remove all the toners. 4 toner will be there. You can remove all the 4 toners. After removing the four toner, we have to remove that film roll. Just all these things are very easy steps. Just hold it here, pull towards upside. After removing that, now we are going to remove the waste counter. For that, here you can see there is a lock like in orange color. Just turn right or left side and remove it separately and just pull towards upside. This is the waste owner. You can see the number 223CL. This is the number for this one, and there is screws below. Nearly 5 screws is there. We have to remove all those 5 screws, and inside there will be waste powder. We can use clean by blower, and this I will explain you later, that small piece. Now we will remove all those screws. Now I removed and cleaned everything. After cleaning that, you can see in this corner there is a lever. Just pull on that side. After removing that, pulling that lever, just close. While closing time, you must be very careful. Means that tray, you can see this tray, and that corner there will be like a there is a lock. It must be fixed properly, and this roller also. After fixing that, just close this door, and there will be three lock here. Just press and three lock, you have to fix it properly. And after that, you insert all the screws. Now let me remove this small portion. In this we can see the lever is there. This lever from inside we have turned right, so keep it like this. After keeping like this the lever, just keep this small metal piece as it is before. Let me take it outside. Okay, fix it like this. It must be in this position. Now we fix this cover and fix the screw also. And after fixing this, there is another side. We have to remove and check the same metal lever is there, it's fixed properly or not, like that. Just remove this screw. After removing this screw, there is a 2 black tire you can see. In this tire, you have to see whether that U bent, it has to be touched in that black tire. If it's not touching properly, means while you install inside this waste toner box, you will get that error message that install the waste toner box. As we get the error message, same that you will get. Whatever you clean, you will get same continuous error. And after fixing this box, you get same error. That film roll, there side there will be a chip like metal, not chip, like a metal small piece will be there. Just clean it and fix it. So if you do like that, 100% the error will be solved. So you have to do like this. After doing all this procedure, if it's not working, means, and fix the lock same like that, because the lock, it's very important while it's running time. It don't want to move, come towards upside. For that purpose, we are fixing this lock. After fixing this lock, we are going to insert the film roll. In this film roll only, I said in the side there is small plate like that, which is communicating with that board and something, board and other sensor like that. In that side you can see. After fixing that film roll, just fix all toner one by one. after fixing this, let us see whether the error has been solved or not. Now you can see ADF is ready. Now the error has been solved. So this is the method to solve this issue. While insert also, sometime you will get the same error. So check the film roll, the side, and check the waste toner box also. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and support. Bye bye, see you.